All right, guys. Homemade fish talakari. So it's the salmon head curry, and then chicken chicken leg. It's the Chukka style. So done, and with some Pittu Sri Lankan style. It's made out of rice flour and coconut and hot water. Mix it, steam it. A healthier version, kind of. Yep. All right. Let's dig in. So with the curry and some sugar. Whoa. Wow. That's awesome. Nice and spicy chukka. Still hot. The salmon head. Cheek meat. Nice and fatty. Soft. Man, love it.